For those of you who are from the warmer climates, ever wondered what it's like driving in this kind of weather up north here in this blizzard-like conditions, this is it. The plows have been out, but they couldn't quite keep up with the snow, so we're driving through the snow. You can barely see the dividing yellow lines on the road. By this time tomorrow, this will all be cleaned up on the roads, though. They do a good job of cleaning up the roads here. But you have to understand, there's been a couple of feet of snow that's been dropped relatively quickly, so they could only do but so much in so much time. I just left my house a little while ago. I'm heading into Groton from Ledyard, and Groton is usually a little bit better than Ledyard. We're in Groton right now. Sliding a little bit here as I'm traveling. We have four-wheel drive on this vehicle, but four-wheel drive doesn't mean that you're not gonna slide. You still have to drive with care. And up ahead is a four-way intersection where they take the traffic lights and put them on flashing so no one is slamming on brakes. Everyone basically needs to stop at the intersection here. Looks like the gas station is open. Everyone getting fuel for their generators. A lot of people without power. And I just continued on the same road. You can see the road is a little bit better as we've gotten further into Groton. You can actually see the blacktop and the dividing yellow lines again. And of course, as I drive into Groton, we're also getting closer to the actual shoreline. So the temperature is probably just a couple of degrees warmer, being closer to the water. And obviously they don't get as much as we did up in Ledyard, which is only a couple of miles up the road. And you just saw someone using a mini backhoe to plow their little driveway out. I'm gonna have to slow this down a bit. I'm up to about 45 miles an hour. I need to keep my speed down a bit. And a couple of people over here shoveling their snow. And going past the Mystic Marriott here. There's the reservoir where we get to drink all of our water. Yum. Up ahead, this, my friends, is what cars look like if you're parking them outside. You typically have a snow-covered vehicle.